Upon entering the home at Bishan Loft, we enter a long dining area, which leads us to the spacious Modern Lux living room. The TV feature walls use marbles for the majority ratio of the design. This glossy, light-hued marble feature wall injects a sophisticated, and modern, and timeless look that provides a luxe vibe at the same time. We've designed a feature divider display for homeowners to showcase their feng shui collection. We amplify the bedroom storage with clever customized cabinets, without sacrificing the style. The bathroom is designed to be simple yet trendy at the same time, with clean-cut patterns and lines that give the space a sense of depth. From the left to right side of the room is designed full of functional storage spaces. It is both clean-cut and at the same time timeless in design. Every little detail in the house has been carefully thought of and made according to the homeowner's lifestyle.